Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Say it. What are you eating? Say Happy St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, good work. Now, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. No? You gotta do something funny for the camera.
No.
No? I don't want to wear them. You wear them. Can you sing a song? And do a dance? On the radio.
Uh-oh.
On the radio.
Uh-oh.
On the radio.
Uh-oh.
Can you sing another song? Song. A, B, C, D. 1, 1, 2, 3. Good. 5, 6. Yeah, 7. 8. 9. 10. Yay. 7. Say 7. Say 7. Say bulldozer. Say bulldozer. Say bulldozer. Yay. Say dumper. Digger. Digger. Come on. Digger. Car. Truck. What's this? What's this? What's that? No. Water. Yes. What's this? What is it? Nose? What's this? Eye? Where's your mouth? Where's your ears? Yep. Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Where's your ears? Can't hear me? Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your hair? Where is your belly? Where's your arm? Where's your fingers? Yeah, fingers. Where's your feet? Yeah. Yes. Where's your toes? Toes. Where's your Mickey? Where's your diaper? Where is your teeth? Where's your shoulders? Yeah, where are they? Shoulder. Where's your chest? Right here? Where's your brain? Oh, in your pants? Oh, that's a good spot for it. Arr.
Mommy, Doggy. Lily.
What's your doggy's name? You want to go take a shower? How do you say shower?
Shower.
Yep. Oh, what's a monkey do? What's a monkey do? What's a snake say? What's an elephant say? Again? No. What does a doggy say?
Doggy.
That's a monkey. You're a monkey. You're a cheeky little monkey. You're a cheeky little monkey. Alright. Smile and wink. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Good boy. Bye. Bye-bye. See ya. See ya.